Right. This is fucking crazy. I've never heard sounds like this. It's coming from down by the river. Just rode past him on bike at like 2 in the morning. Just crashing around out there in these crazy sounds. Listen. I'm a little freaked out and a little scared. Sounds like they're moving away. I'm gonna walk towards it. Holy fuck. Fuck is it? It's so loud. Doesn't sound like any animal I've ever heard before. It's breathing heavy. It's fucking evil. Holy shit.